Boom, 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 boom. Welcome to the year 2080. The Terminator has taken over the world and I am the last remaining survivor. I have lived this long by flying away in this drone thing, helicopter slash flying car, created by XPeng. So this is basically a big drone, and it's like made of carbon fiber. It's super light, and the X1, which is the first gen one, had about 100,000 test flights. You can't control the helicopter from inside the car. It just flies from point to point on a GPS navigation system, which is pretty sick. Okay, so the battery can last about 35 minutes of fly time. That's not a lot, but if you think about how far you could possibly go using 35 minutes, they'll probably use these things to get from one city to another city, charge them up, and then, or you just even replace the battery if they have removable batteries. And it has a max speed of 130 kilometers an hour. Now imagine that, you're not going to be hitting traffic lights, anything like that. You're going to be going at 130 kilometers an hour over buildings. You don't have to go from point A to B to C. You can go straight from point A to point C. It's going to save a lot of time. It's the same technology that's used inside their cars, and that's how they're getting you from point A to point B. And you can switch it on like that. Very cool. So this vehicle has 8 independent power supplies. So I'm sure the first worries that come to mind are, oh my God, like if the battery blows up, I'm going to crash. Very possibly, but at least if one of them goes and fails, you still have 7 others that can get you to the ground safely. I think this is definitely the future of flying, and this is like going to be a flying taxi in the future. Probably similar to a helicopter, but much cheaper, much more effective, and charged using electricity. So they're going to take us on a test fly. No, I'm joking. So this could be the sneak peek of their first real 2022 eVTOL drone car. In the beginning they'll cost a lot, but really I do believe that these things will become like flying taxis, because it's not a lot of material going into this other than the carbon fiber, and I think the batteries will also be a part of the cost. But I can just imagine soon you're going to have a bunch of these things flying through the sky from A to B, just helping people get to places where roads aren't, maybe even used in hospitals and stuff like that. Definitely this is the way the elite are going to get around. They're not going to use cars anymore. Cars are going to be for peasants. Ow! Bye.